Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today I am taking you through a yoga tutorial for how to do cat-cow. So grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Let's go ahead and come right into tabletop pose. So in tabletop pose, you want to press down through the tops of the feet, press down through all 10 fingerprints, then hug that belly up and towards the spine. Wrists are right underneath your shoulders, knees are directly underneath your hips. And from here, we're going to take a deep breath in, dropping the belly, shine your heart forward. And as you exhale, arch through that back. Exhale. Inhale to drop your belly. Pull the shoulders away from your ears. And exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, arch through your back. Inhale for your cow pose. And exhale for cat. Now take a few more rounds of your own cat-cow, remembering to move with your breath. Inhale for cow, and exhale for cat. So cat-cow is a really great way to warm up the spine. It's great for flexion and extension in the spine, as well as really helps to stimulate and massage the organs in the stomach. So cat-cow is one of my favorite poses. You will always find it in my yoga classes. And just take a few more rounds. And then on your next inhale, come back to your tabletop pose. From here, just go ahead and cross your legs, come to have a seat. Close down your eyes, placing your hands on your knees. If you enjoyed this quick little tutorial for you on how to do a proper cat-cow, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified when I post free content every Wednesday. Hands to your heart. Namaste, yogis. Thank you so much for joining me today for this quick little yoga tutorial. I will see you next week.